this right house journey. Just going to give everybody an update for today. I'm going to show you how far the porch has gotten along. We got 90 more cinder blocks picked up, and here got to get them out to the garden area, and we'll show y'all where we are with the garden. Thank everyone for watching. Please like, subscribe, follow, share with your friends, call your neighbors. Thank you, and God bless. Okay. Here's where we're at right now with them getting the new front porch on the house. We just picked up those rocking chairs, which are going to be on the porch, and then my rocking chairs in the house. And there's the cinder blocks that we just picked up. Got 90 more of them to put out in the raised bed garden area. And then over here you can see our lovely pile of lumber that hopefully by the end of this week will all be gone. All right, let's go around to the back. Okay, hit it around back. I got a load of bricks. This is going to be our garden area that I got to build a fence around. That's how far we got so far. All right, we'll bring y'all back in a little bit. Hello everyone, here's our raised bed garden completed. We got the new gate and all the beds finished. Had to run back to Lowe's and get 4 more blocks. We was 4 blocks short. There's going to be the gate to the garden. I have to get that. The garden's going to be approximately 32 foot long and 26 foot wide for all the raised beds once I build the fence around it. Just wanted to get everybody updated. Please like, share, subscribe. Tell your neighbors, call your family. Let's get this channel growing. We appreciate everyone, and y'all have a blessed day. I did forget to mention, this hay is full of rabbit manure that we've had several years in the barn, and that's what we're going to be putting on the bottom of all these raised beds out here. Again, thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.